Good morning, everybody. We're here with a Willys Jeep. Here's the owner. What's your name, boss?
My name is Tiago, and I'm the owner of this Jeep. It's a 1953 Jeep Willys. It's a one-ton truck. I acquired a few months ago. I'm originally from Brazil. The Willys Jeep has a big presence in Brazil until the 70s. They kept making over there. My grandpa used to drive one of those. And when I saw this here in the market, I couldn't let it go, so I bought it. I did some work to it, did some body work on it, make it shiny. Everything works on the truck. Originally came with a flatbed on it and has been replaced throughout the years. You don't see much of these trucks here out there anymore. Most of them are rusty on the yards. They're got a very small engine. You got just a 4-cylinder flathead engine. Top speed is about 45 miles an hour. They're made to work. They're made a farm vehicle, 4-wheel drive. So people don't really like them much, but I like it. Yeah, it's a good truck.
I see that you're running an AC system in there.
Oh no, it's a heater.
Oh, it's a heater. Okay.
So a lot of people put heaters on it. This truck came from Colorado.
Okay.
Used to be on a farm in Colorado, so they put a heater on it aftermarket.
Is that the original color?
Yeah, I don't believe so.
Okay.
I think the color is a little more military green that they did that year. The top is the original one. It's come as a two-tone, so that white's original color.
Definitely a nice piece, man. I appreciate you bringing it out. 4-wheel drive and everything works on it.
Everything works, even the cab light works on it. The dome light, even that works.
Awesome, man. Well, definitely looks great. And just give y'all a little bit more of a shot of a side view. Well, I appreciate you coming out, man. Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you.